So now I'm going to talk about the browser extension for Google Notebooks that is just incredibly useful if you're using Google Notebooks a lot. I have it open right here, but let me just show you real fast. So if I don't have it open, it's down here in the bottom, and you see there's a little link to Open Notebook. And when I open it, this is what I get. I get a miniature version of my Google Notebook. And I can navigate to different notebooks and even close this little section right here. I can expand these notes so I can see the actual full note. I can make comments and add labels just like in what I've been showing you in regular Google Notebooks, except I can do it in this little miniature version. And even when I go to different web pages, it still stays down there. So especially when you're clipping sections from web pages, this browser extension is great because it's sitting right down here in the bottom of your browser window, and every web page you go to is just sitting there right on top, and you can add things really easily just like that. Well, of course, I'll be showing you how to add those later. But first off, to get this, what you want to go to is www.google.com/notebook/download. And you can also, this is also linked in the Google Notebook FAQ. You can see it in there. But let's see. First off, the system requirements, you need to have Firefox, the internet browser Firefox, versions 1.5 or later, or you need to have a certain version of Internet Explorer, and you can see that is linked to right here. This, of course, may change in the future. They may add the extension to more internet browsers. I would suggest using Firefox because it is the best browser in my opinion. So you want to read through these terms of service, and if you agree and download. And then you'll go through the install process for the extension. And then when you're done, it'll show up down here in the bottom of your browser. And the next clip, I'll go into more detail about how to use the extension.